In this method, we are going to plant tomato plants in a smart way so they can keep feeding themselves for the whole season without needing extra fertilizer again and again. It also helps the plant grow many more roots, and more roots means the plant can take more nutrients from the soil and grow stronger. First, choose a good spot in your garden bed where there is plenty of sunlight. Tomatoes love sunlight, so try to give them at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun daily. Once you have your spot ready, start by digging a big hole in the soil. Don't make it too small. The hole should be big enough to hold a good amount of kitchen waste because that is what will slowly feed your plant over time. After digging the main hole, now make some small trenches connected to this hole. These trenches don't need to be very deep, just enough to lay your tomato plant inside. This step is important because instead of planting the tomato straight up, we are going to lay it slightly sideways in the trench. Once that is done, place your tomato plant into the trench. Keep the root ball near the main hole and gently lay the stem along the trench. Don't worry if it looks a bit bent. Just make sure the top part of the plant is above the soil and facing upward. The plant will adjust itself towards the sunlight in a few days. Now comes the main part. Fill the big hole with kitchen waste. You can use vegetable peels, fruit scraps, eggshells, and other organic waste from your kitchen. This waste will break down slowly and release nutrients into the soil. Try to avoid putting oily food or meat items as they can attract pests. After filling the hole, cover everything properly with compost and garden soil. Cover both the hole and the trench, including the stem that you laid down. Only the top leafy part of the tomato plant should be visible above the soil. Press the soil lightly so it stays in place, but don't make it too hard. Now, give your plant a good amount of water. This helps settle the soil and starts the process of breaking down the kitchen waste. In the beginning, keep watering regularly so the plant can settle well. After some time, once the roots grow deeper, the plant will become stronger and won't need as much attention. The best part of this method is what happens under the soil. The buried stem will start growing roots all along its length. So instead of having just one root area, your plant will have many roots spread across the trench. This means it can absorb more water and more nutrients easily. As the kitchen waste breaks down slowly, it keeps feeding the plant throughout the season, so you don't have to worry about adding fertilizers again and again. The soil also becomes richer and healthier over time. With this simple method, your tomato plant will grow stronger, healthier, and give you a better harvest. More roots, more nutrients, and less effort from your side. Just plant it right in the beginning, and the plant will take care of the rest.